Finally made it to the zoo. Now y'all a little late now, cause I done already made the sauce.
Well, you can tell them what you put in it and stuff.
I can put in. I forgot.
The camera's behind you, baby. It's behind you.
Oh, I forgot what I put in, y'all.
You put some bay leaves.
My sous chef supposed to
Shoe.
my sous chef. My sous chef supposed to told me. What you put in the zoo? What you put in?
You put Italian seasoning. Paula Deen seasoning. And
Look, just because she said nigga, that don't mean we still ain't using her product. We use her recipe. The bitch can cook.
oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe you said that.
It's our channel, Joe.
What's the name of it?
Look, we home. Look, you see me? See how I'm dressed? Snowed in, champ. And look, she's still styling in the Uggs in the house. You ask me what for? I have no idea.
Because they feel comfortable.
In the house, though, baby?
Yeah.
Really? You have slippers.
I know, but these feel comfortable.
As you've been seeing, all I've been doing is whipping up the sauce for about 20 minutes.
And then you did the tell us
Oh,
shake it off.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Now I got to taste this. My nephew on the way. He don't want to be in the camera because he's shy. It's fake ass, but he's shy.
I'm trying to set up the camera nice.
Oh, okay. You heard him? Now I'm about to taste it.
Who farted? Who's farting?
Ain't nobody fart.
That's
Hey, look, man.
No,
I'm trying to tell you.
Mark is farting.
If you want to be closest to Italy right now in the snowstorm, this is the closest thing to Italy you gonna be right here. Tell me you don't feel like you're in Milan with this right here.
Wait, it's hot.
Oh.
It's gonna fall in your hand.
Tell me you don't taste like you're in Milan.
Mamma mia. That's
Chabela, whatever.
Whatever they say. It's
Yeah,
good.
whatever. You know what I mean. It look, it's good. That's all you need to know, Chad. Alright, man, I can turn this off right now. Oh, you got the sauce? Look,
You want to turn it off?
No, Real got the sauce right here. Real putting the sauce. Look, hold on.
Not so good to show.
With the onions and all that in. And it's something simple. Look, see what I mean? Look.
But you have to make it.
Something simple.
You gotta make it marinate, so and don't forget to take the leaves out after you're done.
Babe, we're gonna leave the leaves. We're gonna keep the leaves in there
Until we get ready to eat.
until we get ready to eat it. We're gonna let it sit here because it's done. We're gonna let it sit here. But you have to cover this. You have to cover it.
All right, so cover.
Keep all of it in there. With a cover, baby. Look, you know we hood. We keep the cover in the dishwasher. Huh? We keep the top and the we don't use the dishwasher because we saving on energy.
So we wash.
We trying to save some, so we use the dishwasher
as a
storage unit. You know, now if you don't know what I'm talking about,
Take a look.
look. You faking because half the people watching it right now, y'all use y'all dishwasher also the same. I will show you.
With a spaghetti noodle.
Sorry.
My wife throwing noodles. Now let my sous chef take over. Go ahead, babe.
Oh no, that's our storage.
No, you want look. You don't need to see the storage.
Oh. Okay. So what I'm doing now is I'm just putting the noodles in, letting them cook. Angel hair noodles. We like it better with angel hair instead of your regular spaghetti noodles. Spaghetti noodles are too thick.
And why? Oh, it's too thick.
It's
That's
too
why.
thick.
Okay.
We like semi-thin, not too thin, but just right.
But it's whoever.
But it's our house. So
It's our house. We use.
That's the way we
But
eat.
you use egg, macaroni shell,
Yeah.
whatever you
If
want
you
to
want.
for your getty. We
Yeah.
don't say spaghetti. We call it getty.
Got you. 1 to 20.
Gaddy, yeah.
Wonder Twins.
Activate.
There you go.
Closest thing to Milan or to Italy you gonna get, champ. I'm trying to tell you right here. And this dish right here.
In the Satchers house.
Look, I wish that you can taste it through this camera.
Oh,
I'm
smell
trying
it.
look, you know how sometimes you watch the cooks and they taste it like, ooh, you're like, oh man, it just look and tastes so good. Look here. When I tasted that right there, that wasn't no front right there. Look here, champ. I'm gonna smack myself. I'm trying to tell you something. And let my sous chef take care of it.
Why you leaving me? Why you leaving this?
Because you know the Maryland gang still on, baby. I'm trying. I did all the hard work.
Yeah, but why did you clean?
Now, do we have some for the,
We don't have any bread.
now,
We have to use biscuits.
now hold on.
We have biscuits.
Now, we don't have no dough to make our own bread because we hood. So we're gonna use the frozen joints. The junior, nah, baby, nah, you know what? Nah, baby, nah. You don't even have to use that because that may be for tomorrow, Mondays.
My beans.
You know what I mean? But this is how we gonna do it.
Toast.
We have toast with butter and put some garlic on it.
Mm-hmm.
Garlic bread right
There you,
there.
there you go.
Garlic bread. It don't matter what brand it is. It don't matter what bread. All you need is some bread.
All you need is this.
Bread. We giving a shout out to Country Crop.
Endorsement coming soon.
You know, we trying. And McCormick. Who don't know McCormick? You grew up with McCormick and garlic powder. Garlic bread, champ. Hood style. You want to go out and pay all that money for some garlic
Show
bread?
my refrigerator. We stocked though.
Yeah, we kind of good. We ain't go real hard for the snowstorm because you know just in case the power may go out,
Yeah.
you know we don't want to lose too much money. So we got the basic essentials. We good for the holiday. If you don't have none, you might as well walk to the store now and get some if there's any. I don't understand. Oh Lord have mercy. Come on now. The Toll House and the Brides, man.
Oh. Well,
If there ain't no heaven, I'm trying to tell you, it's right. I'm living it right now, champ.
Heaven must be
Oh,
like this.
and Lord knows look, if you don't have no damn bacon, you need to go and shoot yourself right now if you don't have no bacon in this snowstorm right here. If you don't have and as a black person, if you don't have no chicken, I don't know how you do it at your house. This is how we doing it here. Got to have the basic essentials. But you know how greedy we are. If you're a smoker, you got to have two. Back to the spaghetti.
Spaghetti is almost done.
We was letting that time frame go past because you know, had time lapse. You don't want to just sit there and watch
And
no
then you
damn
tell them how you test
spaghetti
the
being
spaghetti
cooked.
being done, baby. Show them.
Simple trick when I was younger was taught if you want to know if spaghetti is done. If it stick to the refrigerator, it's done. It's done. There go your Getty right there from Mark and Tanya, my babe. Directed from my man, my nephew, who I love so much.
Terrell.
His first directorial debut. We send a shout out to you from the snowed in. What's the date? January 23rd, 2016. This is our
house.
snowed in at the Satchers crib. Peace, love, and be safe.